Hello everyone and welcome to this Getsitecontrol tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to promote coupon codes on your store using Getsitecontrol pop-ups. So let's go ahead and choose a template first. I'm going to click Create Widget and go to the template gallery. From here, I'm going to select Use Cases so that I can easily find the kind of pop-up that I'm looking for. So I'll proceed to promote coupon codes. And then I'll look for a template that I like. This one, for example. I'll click Take this template to open the template in the dashboard so that I can edit its content and appearance. So first, I would like this button to allow people to copy the coupon codes that I would like to share with them. So I'm going to click the button and edit the default action. It's already a copy to clipboard action, so I just need to enter my own coupon code here instead of the default one. I'm offering 15% off. I'm gonna click OK. And then I would like the button to just say copy coupon. Okay. Now I'll proceed to edit the rest of the text of the widget as well so that it reflects the kind of discount that I'm offering. If you want, you can also change the picture by just clicking on it and proceed to change image. This account is connected to a Shopify store. So here I have the images from my Shopify store of my products. But here we have the built-in image gallery where we can choose a stock image for our pop-up. So I'm going to look for something about jewelry, for example, a pair of earrings. I'll click OK and adjust the settings a little bit to push the image to the left so that it's more centered. Okay. One more thing that you could do is change the color theme to make the pop-up a little bit more colorful if you want and to match your store's design. So I'm going to change the color of the background. That's it. My pop-up is ready. Well, the appearance is ready. So I'm going to proceed to the targeting settings. So I would like to show this pop-up on my product pages. So from the display widget on section, I'm going to select my product pages, the product pages from my Shopify store. And I'm going to remove the default option that displays the widget on every page of the store. Then I would like to add a time delay for my pop-up instead of displaying it right away. I would like for it to appear after people spend, let's say, 5 seconds on the page so that they have a chance to have a look around. I'm going to remove the automatically condition. And also, I would like to stop displaying the pop-up forever after people have copied the coupon code. So I'm going to add upon action and stop the display forever. Okay, my targeting settings are ready. I can now save and close the pop-up and activate it on my store. And that's it. Now go create your own pop-up to promote coupon codes on your store.